Hello, let's record it. Now here we can see that there are several icons here, and this is a Google icon. It's right in Google Chrome, and that's a folder here. Here you can see another folder. I just changed the shape of it, the icon here, and there are several different icons. All are for different purposes. Now, let's concentrate on these SPSS documents here, SPSS icons. These are all icons which contain data written in SPSS program. Here, this is name is course 28 Feb. This is sleep hour. This is personality nominsin, and this is ergonomics. So they can have different names. What is important here is that these red ones are written in SPSS and they contain data. And here, this can have a different name. What is important here is that that is being blue and the shape of the icon, and this icon is for SPSS output. It contains analysis and data as a result of the data written in SPSS program. So let's start one by one exploring what's written here and which information they contain. Okay, now here. This is data view and this is variable view. All SPSS programs contain two different views, data view, variable view. Here, in the variable view, we define variables. This is tea, coffee, alcohol, cigarettes, sweets, number of, here, let's open it from here, number of decay, bad habits. Okay, so these names are variable names. Note that I want to repeat it that there cannot be any blank spaces here. It's illegal. It's not possible, a blank space, and they cannot start with a number. I just want to remind it again and again that you see what's the difference. Okay, no, it's not possible. Okay, here. These are the variable names. These are the types. These are with, decimals, label, values, missing columns, align, and measure. Yes. Okay, so here. These are the types of these variables are all numeric. Okay, so here in data view, we all see numbers. When we define them as numeric, when we define these variables as numeric, we see here all numbers. Okay, in variable view, width, what this width means? This width means that the number of digits here, the number of digits of these numbers. Okay, if the width is 1, this means that there is only one digit. If the digit is 2, this means that there is 2 digits here. It's possible to have 2 digits. Now here, only bad habits have 2 digits. There's no decimal spaces because they are near all of them are group variables except this T and bad habits. Okay, so bad habits contains 2 digits, like here. The others contains 1 digit, therefore width is 1. Okay, label. What is label? Label defines the variable, what it is about. Here, this is tea, so it's writing here, do you drink tea in day? Or here it's writing coffee, alcohol, cigarette. It's possible to write a meaningful word or a sentence, or it's possible to put something like X, XX or Y, something like that, not meaningful things. So whatever you write in label section doesn't affect the output. So these are the values here. Let's explore what it has. These are for grouping. We had seen this before. So these are for grouping. Group 1 is yes, group 2 is no here. And here, this is the same. Group 1, yes, group 2, no. Okay, these are all grouping, and here we have in the questions like if they smoke, we write yes, or, and if our participants don't smoke, we write no. Okay, so here nominal, nominal, and scale. What this nominal means? Nominal means that here that they are grouped, but the order is not important. By the way, in the first one, okay, do you drink tea in the day? Okay, and here we have zeros here, so there's something wrong in this SPSS program. Now I want you to find what's wrong. Yes, what's wrong here? Now look at T. Okay, it says numeric. Okay, 1 digit. Yes, here T. So it's numeric, we say, and this nominal. This nominal definition means defining it as here again. Do you think T in the day? Nominal. What nominal means? Nominal means either it's a string, okay? It's a string like, do you drink tea in the day? The answer should be yes or no, okay? But look at here in the data view, the answer is not yes or no. It's just numbers, okay? So there's a confusion here. Either you will have, if it is nominal, you will have answers like yes, wait, but we define it as numeric, okay? So if we say it's nominal, the order is not important, we define it as numeric. So let's do it like that. Let's define it as string, okay? But in order to write yes or no, yes is 3 letters, so let's write it 3, okay? And let's change the values here and see what's happening. Yes, no, yes, okay? Now it's in the correct definition. Or we can do it like that, or we can here in the value section write 1 yes, group it, okay, 2 no, like the other ones, okay, okay, and here now I have to define it as numeric because I'm going to write numbers 1 and 2 instead of yes and no. So I write numeric, okay. So there is some defined values, it says nominal, okay. So here, and now it doesn't accept it as it is. So what was the correct form of it? It was 0 and 2, okay. So maybe that do you drink tea in the day, or I can ask it, how many times do you drink tea in the day, and it can be, the answer can be 0, 2, 3, okay. So there should be consistency with the definition and the values here. So here I can have this question. It depends on my research question. I am just finding the mistakes in this SPSS document here. How many times do you drink tea in the day? Yes, here. So if I ask it like that, it's okay to write numbers, and because I can write 0 times, 1 times, 2 times, I have to define it as scale. What is scale? Measurement. So now here I can define it like scale, and I can write numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the numbers. By the way, what this 97 stands? 97 stands for 97th participant, okay? So here, this is the 105th participant. And here, these are all participant numbers, okay? You see that there are 146 participants in this study. and all these have a meaning. But if you define it wrong, okay, if you don't have this SPSS knowledge, and if you do something wrong in the middle, all your work will be nonsense, okay? SPSS will produce you an output, and you can write it, but it will be wrong, and it will result in wrong conclusions, and think what it will be as a result of if a dentist uses it in his work, or a doctor uses it in his work, so it will be very bad and wrong results. Okay, so here, let's go to variable view here. So I say here that definition is important. You should be careful and know what you define. If you need to write numbers like 1, 2, 3, then you can write how many times do you drink tea in the day, and you can define it as scale, for example. Now, there are some other wrongs in this table. Let's find them also. This is bad habits. It says numeric 2 and 0. So let's go here and let's find. It says scale. Okay, so it's a measurement. So measurement, but here there are 10, 2, 9, 12. But what these stand for? It looks like if this 10 stands for a bad habit like smoking or drinking alcohol, or maybe using other harmful stuff. So you can write what you have to write here the values. Okay, you have to write here 1 stands for example, smoking. Okay. 2 stands for drinking alcohol. You can write it, and so on. And if you group it, it should be nominal. Why not ordinal? Because if it is ordinal, the order differs. So this was the third mistake here. And there's number of decay. It says there's values defined here, okay, and it says scale. Okay, so let's look what's happening here. Number of decay, it says 1, 2. It means the number of decays in a person's mouth, the teeth, how many teeth have decay. So, okay, that's so numeric definition is okay here, the type. And here, definition of scale, it says scale, it's not grouped. Okay, if it's not grouped, what these stand for here? There are, again, some wrong definitions. So I have to delete all of them. I have to write this, I have to make this empty, okay? So this shouldn't be here. These are defined wrongly, okay? These are defined wrongly. I don't want to define any value 0 or something. And that's important that we don't have it there.